Sometimes it's nice to just stay in bed and work, or have someone bring you breakfast. Trays are okay, but aren't stable if you move around. This simple overbed table will roll up to wherever you need it, will provide stability for the items on top, and can roll back to the end of the bed when not in use. You'll need 2x12s. 2-inch thick lumber makes for a strong, stable piece of furniture, while the 12-inch width provides plenty of table space. A drill, measuring tape, 4 2-inch rigid caster wheels, 4 4-inch L brackets, 1 1/4-inch screws, and 4 2.5-inch screws. A sander, safety glasses, a mask, stain, a brush, and a drop cloth. A table saw is optional. If you don't have one, wait to purchase the lumber until after you have your measurements. Many home improvement stores will rough cut your lumber to size. I highly recommend this for these heavy pieces. First, measure your bed to get the sizes for your lumber. My queen-size bed and frame measures 65 inches in length. Add 3 inches to accommodate the table's sides, and another few inches to accommodate bedding bulk, so it's not a squeeze to move the table back and forth. With these measurements and additions, my table will be 72 inches and even 6 feet long. Measure the height next. Do this by sitting in the bed and placing one end of the measuring tape on the floor. Measure up to a height that hits above your lap with some extra room for the bedding and will allow for movement. For my bed and lap allowance, my table height will be 42 inches. Take that measurement and subtract the caster wheel height. Mine are 2.5 inches to get the adjusted height of the table sides. My adjusted height is 39.5 inches. Once you've purchased your lumber and either had the store cut it or used your table saw, sand over the entire surface of the lumber until smooth. Wipe down the lumber to remove any sawdust and stain it over a drop cloth. Allow it to fully dry. Once the stain has fully dried, assemble the table upside down. Add 2 brackets to attach the table's top to one side. Do this on the other side as well. Attach 2 caster wheels onto the bottoms of each of the 2 table sides. Flip the table upright and run 2 2.5-inch screws through the top and down into the sides. There should be 2 screws at each end. On the fly, DIY.